right, boys and girls, here we go. We're going to do addition facts plus 0 today. So remember, when we get a paper, the first thing we do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and you got it, write my name. Okay, boys and girls, adding 0 is so easy. So because it's 0, we don't go anywhere on the number line. So whatever number you see plus 0, you can just copy it. So on this one, if I have 3 plus 0, I just write 3. See how that works? 8 plus 0. Since I'm not adding anything to 8, I just put 8. So what do you think 2 plus 0 is going to be? 2, that's right. All right, so I'm gonna do the next row with you, and then I want you to practice on your own. So 7 plus 0, 7 plus nothing, stays 7. So 9 plus 0, what's it gonna stay? You got it, 9. 1 plus 0 stays 1, and 5 plus 0 stays 5. So now I want you to push pause, and I want you to try the next 2 rows on your own, and then push play and check your answers. Okay, we're back. So this one is 6, this one is 8, 2, 7, 4, 10, 5, and 9. All right, how did you do? Did you get them right? Did you have some that needed to be fixed? If you need to fix them, just erase and fix them. And then I want you to push pause again and try this row and this row. Ready? Push pause. All right, welcome back. How did you do? This one is 6. Check yours and see if it's right. This one is 3. This one is 4, 7. This one is 2, 1, 8, and 5. Nice job. Remember, if you got it wrong, go back and fix it. And if you got it right, then nice job. Okay, this next part of the page, I want you to try on your own. And when you're finished, raise your hand and I will come check it. I want to be able to see that you can do it without my help. So give it a try. And then when you're finished, raise your hand and I'll check it. And if it's all correct, you can put it in your mailbox and go to the next station. Nice job, boys and girls.